Worldwatch is 7:30 a.m. PST, June 2nd, and 90E is becoming better organized. Yep, it's showing signs of doing so. Environmental conditions appear favorable, and atomic depression is expected 400 in the next day or two, while the system moves west to west-northwest. It has 80% in the next 2 days, 90% in the next 7. So it's almost a certainty. Here it is, 9.6 north, 126.7 west, 25 knot winds. We can show you a picture of it. That's our air system. This thing is clearly all over there. You can see a nice LSC convection over it. Should be a depression pretty soon. Wind besides it, always a scat pretty soon, showing as a depression. Um, Bit of broader view. Definitely nice outflow to the south. Also the north, very favorable. Yeah, here's 36 hours, 2009. Let's go out to 96. What can I say? 1003. Yeah, but actually doesn't really straighten out that much. Most balls get pretty weak. But, I mean, with that structure, I wouldn't surprised to see 55 knots. Here's our other system longer term, which we're also watching. It has 40% at 7 days off Central America. It should move west to west northwest. Yeah, I'll be watching that. That's for sure. Um, let's look at 126 hours. Yeah, it pretty much is stationary. ECMWF also shows both systems. Nothing in the Atlantic. Nothing, absolutely nothing expected in the next 7 days. Um, Here's the CMC for that time frame. You got multiple systems. Uh, yeah. As for Germany, I kind of skipped it, but here that is. It may landfall in Japan. 50 knot winds currently. I think it's already actually tropical, in my opinion, but hey, they're keeping it alive for some reason. Yeah, it's right here. Um, yeah, expect to head northeastward, come close to Tokyo. Well, and we, I mean, our base stable, whatever. Well, that's your World Watch.